Hi guys, okay, so today's video, it's not a tutorial, it's just gonna go over, all the series that I've been doing. I call it a series of embellishments, and this is how I'm like storing them because I never have had a stash of homemade embellishments. So I have them in these little boxes, containers. Let me see if you can see that. They are shaped like this. You can get these at any of your grocery stores, Walmart, wherever, whatever's holding stuff. So these were around Valentine's Day in Target, and I remember it being empty, but there was one next to it and it was holding like bags of gummy bears. And I took this box, and then there's an all pink one, this guy. This one's much bigger than this one and a little bit different shape. And I shoved them on the bottom of my cart, and when I went up to the register, I'm like, can I have these? He's all, yeah. He was probably like, why do you want those? Anyway, I just did Mod Podge and big, thick, chunky glitter for the front because it had like, I want to say it said gummy bears or something. And then the back, it had this little hole for like hanging, I guess, if you hang a box. But I just covered it with glitter cardstock. And then this one, before I go over, I did the gold Mod Podge glitter. The sides were already a light pink, which I liked. And then the inside, it had a rip. So I just taped it, and then I put cardstock just so, because when it's a little bit empty, you'll be able to see the cardstock. So I'll just go over real quick what I have in these. These guys, my ticket embellishments, and I will link down all the videos down below of everything that I have been making. This is just like an overview because I like looking at it. I like hearing the crinkling of the plastic. So maybe you guys will enjoy stuff like that. I don't know. Or I'm just weird. I don't know. And these guys are my page flag embellishments. Super cute. I love this trim from Hobby Lobby. And I like that one of the boxes is smaller because then I stick the smaller only embellishments in that one. These are my pinwheel embellishments. Like I said, I have videos to all of these, which I will link down below. Super fun. And I'm kind of going to be sad when these boxes are, empty. Then I have these purse bags with the page flags. In here as well. And then once they're all in there, they, stand up on their own. Cute, just like a little boutique. If you went in, you could flip through. Like if I sold them, that would be cute, but I'm not going to. These are for my pals only. I do not sell any of my stuff, at least not yet. Then in the bigger box, let me just take all this stuff out. I have the mini crepe paper rosettes in here with the clip that I made for them. This little guy. Some of them sliding around. Then I have, let's see, some of these are, I should organize them. This is the Bloom, paper pad, and this one's the Flourish paper pad. Originally, I was embossing the paper. See the back? It's embossed with like a bow, which gives it even more of that like beautiful, but I was, trying to crank these out, so I stopped embossing them. Okay, so this is a Bloom one. Bloom paper pad, Bloom paper pad, Bloom. These are all Bloom with different flowers. This is a Flourish paper pad one. I just love these, you guys. I think these are like one of my favorites. I don't know. I think they're all my favorite. Okay, so those are those guys. Those are Flourish. These are Bloom. And they are packaged the same with 2 doilies. I have a video. Then these guys are the mini envelope ones. I love how these turned out. With the little baby butterfly detailing. Made 4 of those. Then I have one left. I made file folders with the mini envelope punch board. I do have a video on how I use that and how I made them. Made it with this thing. I only had one left of those. Then these guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you saw these in my stories. Let me clear these guys out. These are Maggie Holmes. I used the bloom as well. Maggie Holmes has like embellishments, like a 4-pack or something, and the topper looks this paper. And then I just did little paper things, and I have little sequins hearts floating around in there just to give it, you know, that extra, whatever you want to call it. And some more. Some have a circle behind the heart, some don't. And some in just different pastel color rosettes that I made when I was traveling. Then last but not least, these little bunny embellishments that I shared on my spring projects, inspired by crepe paper, and then the original maker of, like, I don't know what they were. I think she made like centerpieces, but I think her name's Chris, something like that, Chris. But yeah, these turned out super cute, and then the back has a little poof for the bunny tail. So those are all my embellishments in my little handmade, just little boxes we're using from the grocery store. I just, you know, snazzed up the front a little bit. But yeah, thanks for looking through my stash with me. All right, bye guys.